Welcome to Kartra Feature segment, brought to you by Marketing Funnels Lion. But first, a quick disclaimer. Ready to go? Let's dive in. Another new feature released in November of 2022 is the personality quiz that extends the quizzes to a new model where you can have weighted questions. So I actually do have an example for you. It took about 5 minutes to create. So look at this. Is this joke funny? I have 2 pages. Let me actually close these ones. So is this joke funny? One question I'm going to answer yes. The other question I'm going to answer no. And then I'll walk you through the process of creating this. So let's say, is this joke funny? I'm going to say yes. And the results are, I got 5 points, and congratulations, I have sense of humor. Now, is this joke funny? If I'm going to answer no, I got -5 points and a different certificate. Sorry, you have no sense of humor. So how was that set up in Kartra? So under surveys, I have this joke set up. I'm going to create this from scratch so you can see how that was created. So this is, as I mentioned, an extension of the existing technology of survey, scored quiz, and now we have the weighted quiz where you can attach a value to the answer and generate a different output, different outcome, different certificate. So I'm going to use the new personality quiz option here. And I'm going to call it joke 2. All right, so description and the logo, that is nothing in here. The magic happens in the content. So I'm going to launch the builder. And now we have several options. I can have an intro added. We're going to skip that because the actual wrapping of the survey is fairly traditional. What's new is the questions and how to add weight to them. So if I create a text-only question, and you can see other options there as well, I can have a single option, multi-option, short answer, long answer, then I can have a rating score. In my case, I just use the binary. So we can change this to, is this joke really funny? And obviously you would write the joke here, and true and false are to be placed in here. So when I edit this section, I can give them a score. So let's say that it's for the true is 10 points, and you have a range from 0 to 10 and from 0 to -10. So this time I'm going to say yes 10, no -10. I do have to provide the custom field value to store it. So let's just say joke 2 and then apply. So once I have the question, I could technically finish this, but if I want to have different outcome depending on number of points, I can select a confirmation message. That could be either only text, and you can see other options as well. I use the one with certificate, which is customizable. And then you can edit the success by clicking on a gear, and the option to display scores will be here. Let's add another success. And select success 1 and edit that option. And you can see that different success pages will be displayed depending on number of points, right? So I can say scores up to 0 display success 1, and success 2 is displayed for scores above 0. I can also edit these values, of course. Okay, that would be another way of customizing these pages. And once you're ready to save this, you can save and exit or preview, and then simply generate the link. You have a couple more options here, which we'll cover in more advanced training. You can send a confirmation email. And what's really cool is that you can also assign tags as well and track the results based on that as well. And you can now embed that in another website, another page, or in a Kartra hosted page, and that's where you get the link. All right, hope you enjoyed that feature. I think that in the near future we'll create a full review of quizzes and how to integrate them with the membership sites. Subscribe if you like the content, or visit our website for more information. Join us on Patreon. Thank you for supporting your channel. And thank you. See you in the next video.